Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here from Aneke Budgets. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, if this is your first time here, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button because I would love to have you join the family. Make sure you hit that like button, turn your notifications on, okay? And leave your 2 cents, which is your comment, down in the comment box below, okay? So usually you guys don't see a girl like this, see the upper the body of me, but today is the first day of Veda, which is basically like Vlogmas, but for the entire month of April, I will be doing 30 videos. So video every single day. And so, yeah, this is the first video of Veda, and I am super excited. I'm also trying to use this natural light before this natural light goes for. So, but anyways, y'all, as you guys can see by the title, I'm moving. Yeah, guys, your girl is moving. And so, yeah, without further ado, we are about to get into this video, child, and we can get all the tea and all the things, okay? So let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so my back door is open. There's more natural lighting, and I basically moved myself a little bit so your girl can get into it, okay? So, don't mind my background, y'all. Like I said, your girl is moving, and so things are being moved all over the place. And yeah, I'm moving up my kitchen, getting it together, so don't mind the background. So anyways, y'all, I got orders to PCS, which is a permanent change of station, and I will be moving from my current location now, which is in Mississippi, and I will be going back to Korea. I'll be going back to Korea, okay? So, if this is your first time here, if you're new here, I actually started my budgeting journey while I was deployed in 2018 to 2019 time frame, and then I moved to Korea in 2019, and I officially started like my budgeting, cash stuff in life, you know, all them good jazz, and actually ended up oh, that's a big fly, child. Oh, it's a big bug. But I actually moved to Korea, and that's when I actually started doing all the things. I got debt free in Korea. I started using cash envelopes in Korea. I did all the things in Korea. And then I moved back to Mississippi. I moved back to America, moved to Mississippi. Don't come up in here. And then life changed. I did a whole bunch of things. I bought a new car, well, a used car, but I bought a car, I bought a house, and then life was lifing, and I had to adjust to living back in America, okay? So yeah, but now I am moving back to Korea, and I am excited. I'm excited for the move. I'm excited to do all the things, and so yeah. So with that being said, your girl's budget is about to change. I don't know what is going to be changed to, what's going to be included, all the things. I do not know. All I know is that I am mentally preparing, and I am doing as much financial preparing as I can. But I will know exactly what money I will have when I do my budget. So anyways, y'all, here we go. So I have a couple things on my trusty dusty iPad. We're only gonna be talking about 3 things today, not a lot, because trust me, over the rest of the month, we're gonna have so much more to talk about. So with moving, y'all, yes, the first thing I have on my list is that I am moving back to Korea. I'm not going to the same place. I'm going to a different location. So my finances is gonna be different. I won't be getting some of the money that I get now, so I'll be dropping by a lot, y'all, a lot. So I did some form of calculation, like estimating how much my check and everything will be, and I basically will be getting about half of what I make now. So right now I make about 54 I make about 4,400, I want to say, a month, and I think I'm going to be getting like 2,200 a month. So yes, I will be dropping by a half, if not more, when I move to Korea. But once that changes happen, I will definitely tell you guys all about it, and we will get on the same page, baby. Okay, so that is the first thing. I am moving, y'all. Moving. So the next thing that is happening for moving to Korea is the moving costs. So how much is it going to cost me to move to Korea? I want to say it won't cost nothing, because the government is going to be moving all my stuff to Korea, and then it's also going to put some of my stuff in storage. So all the things that you guys see in here will either go to Korea or go to storage. And so this is why my background, like right here on my counter or whatever, this is like my stuff that I'm packing up. This is actually stuff that's supposed to be going in storage, and then on the other side of my wall I have stuff that I'm going to be moving to Korea itself, because I'm one of them girls, when I feel like doing something, trying something out, I need to be able to do it. So I do have that, but smaller space. I'm gonna be showing you guys my space too when I move to Korea, because I'm gonna be living in a dorm room. Yo, a dorm room. So life is changing by a whole lot, y'all. A whole lot. Okay, so yeah, so that is the moving costs and anything. Now, do I expect to spend anything out of my money for moving costs? No. But is that a reality? No. So I do expect to spend some money. I do expect to spend about, I don't know, like $200, maybe $300. Child, the way inflation's going, maybe more. In my head, actually, I did budget to spend about $500 for all the things to move my stuff, or any other little things that I may need to move while I am moving here. So there's a lot that's going on. There's a lot of planning that's happening. And yeah, your girl is just getting ready, y'all. Your girl is getting ready. I'm going to be here for a couple more months. And once I leave, that's it. I'm moving. So yeah, so that is the first thing. That's the second thing, right? So first thing is that we're moving to Korea. Second thing is the moving costs, right? The next major thing is my house. Y'all, my house. I've lived in this house now for 2.5 years, and I'm gonna be moving. So yeah, so what is the plan for the house? Well, the plan for the house is to have it rented out. So I'm trying to get all my stuff packed up, moved out, all the things as early as possible. And then I do plan to have it rented out to a family of one. So yes, when my roommate moved out, that was also a part of the plan for the house. And so I'm going to rent it out all this one thing, because I don't want to have the stress of multiple people. And I am getting a property manager to rent it out. I've already spoken with someone and talked to them and all the things. So yes, I think I really wanted to go with talk to my property manager again, and then this time record everything, so that, you know, when I do like a little background to give y'all a scoop y'all can hear all the things. But yeah, y'all, that is all the things. So that's my 1, 2, 3. 1, I'm moving to Korea. 2, the moving costs really shouldn't have cost me anything, but we are budgeting $500 just to make sure that we are good, and anything that we need to buy and spend, we do. We are gonna have housing costs, because I do need to get some stuff replaced, updated, you know, changed, all those things. Providing air filters and all of those, I do need to do that. I have these gnats coming in here, child, because the door's open. But yes, I will have some of those housing costs, which I'm going to separate those from the moving costs. So y'all will see all the tea, but that's that. And then yeah, my third thing is the house. It's going to be rented out. Some other families going to enjoy this humble abode and then give me some passive income, because you know we all here for it. So yes, life is life, and life is moving, life is changing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the things. I hope you guys are looking forward to Veda, which is vlog every day in April, because we're gonna post a video every day, all things money related. Yeah, I've also decided for Sunday reads that I'm going to read a couple chapters and then do chapters review, because the book is way too long, child. We ain't got time. It's an hour, but we do not have time an hour to get in all we need to read, and all the chapters is chaptering. So we're gonna do a couple chapters every single Sunday, and then I can do like a Sunday reads off of that one, like, or review and all those good jazz. And y'all can see me like this maybe, and so y'all won't see the hands as much, but y'all will see, you know, all the things. So yeah, but yeah, I'm super excited to be moving again back to Korea, y'all. The skincare is gonna be skinning, okay? The food is gonna be Korea food is so clean. It doesn't taste like American food, and I do plan to lose weight while I'm there, okay? So your girl is planning to get this body yada together, all right? And so yeah, I have so much plans for Korea. I'm also starting another YouTube channel because I just want to record my experience over there. But those are just the little things I'm thinking about. But I'll let y'all know all the tea, child. I'll let y'all know all the things. But yeah, so yeah, I don't have anything else for you guys. Yeah, I hope you guys are ready for beta. I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. I am looking forward to all of you guys joining me along this journey of moving, changing our budget. Because one thing about it, my money changes. With being in the military and moving all the time, my money changes. But you know, being in the military, moving, all those costs, budget changes, and then the adjustments and all the things. So I want to thank everyone who's on here, who's watching this video. If you're new here, again, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, like this video, leave your 2 cents with your comments. There's a big bug right there, but leave your 2 cents with your comments down in the comment box below. And yeah, so my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always appreciate you. And I was gone for a whole week, y'all. I did not plan to be gone for a whole week. I just needed something, just told me I needed a break. But I saw my April budgets video, and I saw like my last like cast up video, and I just want to thank everyone that watched the video and supported and liked and comments and all the things. So y'all was out here, like, you know, for your girl, y'all was doing the thing. So thank you guys so much. But yeah, this is the end of the video. My name is Aneke, and I will see you tomorrow basically for another one, okay? And tomorrow we are doing March closeout, which I will tell y'all the tea, because last week when I did not plan it, baby, okay, I did not survive. So anyways, y'all will see all that tea tomorrow. So my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Why am I doing this? I have no idea, but I hope you guys enjoyed. So see y'all tomorrow.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.